Hi everyone! So today I have this shaped card kit that Diamond Press has brought to HSN. There are a couple iterations of this type of thing. In the previous video I did the Christmas tree and snow globe shaped card kit. Super cute, came together so quickly, and it's just really adorable. So today I have this one. It is the animals one that is the party animal kit. So they did send this item free of charge for my review, and of course all opinions are my own. And any links down in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. So thank you for using those. With HSN and YouTube, it might be embedded here in the video, or just under the video, it might say like shop or a little tab like that. Oh, this is heavy. So let's check this one out. Super cute. Oh my gosh, you guys. So I remember a while back they had a die set that was similar and just flew out, and you know, people still ask about it and they really love it. So this is ready to go for you guys. So let me kind of open this up a little bit. You can kind of see what's going on here, but let's look at the inspo sheet and see what is intended here. We have 24 shaped cards, 12 of each design. So it looks like, you know, whatever these might be. So I was gonna say cats, but then that's like a raccoon. So there's different shapes there. 24 A6 envelopes, 2 rub-on sheets, and 1 popsicle stick. 72 self-adhesive pearls, 48 self-adhesive rhinestones, and you have 110 gold foil die cuts. Look at the little glasses. That is so cute. Or a little badge, totally foxy. A big round of paws, things like that. How old are you? Oh my goodness. Friends forever, big or bear hug, and then the fries. Oh my goodness. Love you more than fries, and that's a lot. Oh, that is so cute. All the little different things you can dress them up with. You have your characters. You have 192 foam dots, 48 of the larger dots, you know, paws and tails and all kinds of cute things here. So that's why they have the same shape, but they're different animals, type of animals. You can see there. So you have your bears and your other kind of critters there, and card ideas down here. So super cute examples. So again, you have your envelopes, again with that nice flat fold there, really cute. You have your adhesives, the smaller and the larger adhesive. You have your rub-ons, and it looks like it's basically their faces and things. So let's see these. That's very cute. It's a cute idea because you can definitely customize, and then the eyes are separate, so it's not like you cut, you know, you have one or the other. But if you were to cut them together, you would have that look and it would be exactly on, so that's nice. But you can definitely cut them up however you like, right? And plenty of those guys to create your little creatures, what looks like muzzles of different types of animals, right? A little tongue, and some don't, and there you go. You have your rhinestones. Oh, these are so pretty. So this is definitely a pearlescent kind of AB look. The gold ones, the light blue with an AB look, and then your more like fuchsia rhinestones, and the pink. We'll check this out in just a moment. Let's see the card shapes. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. Oh my gosh, I was picking, look. There we go. Got it. Again, 12 of each, and I'll give you a measurement. I'm assuming they're very similar. 5 inches, just over 5 inches on this one, and this one is like 5.5, maybe a little bit taller than 5.5, so slightly different there. I will say this one has the flat, this part, if you want to turn it this way, and that's the back side, or if you want to put the body over here, and that's, you know, however you want to use that, that's up to you as far as that shape. And this one, same thing, it has like that little space, so again, we can put the whole card front, or you put the whole card front here, and then you have theirs, but I think we're going to go with this side. We'll see. Alright, and the reason I say that is because I know it leaves a little bit of white area around. So it's up to you however you want to place those. Oh, those are the little accents. Oh my gosh. So, it looks like we have 4 of each of these guys. Little raccoon, fox, cat, something like that, right? And then our bears here. Oh my goodness, I just realized that's, well, it looks like a koala-ish type bear to me. I don't know. Panda, and then your regular bear. And then you have your pieces that go with them. So like these 4 go with this guy, these go with this little guy, and this goes with this guy. And then your little pieces for these guys. Cute. Your little paws and things. And then all these little things to decorate them, dress them up, have fun that way. Look at the glasses. They are so adorable. Oh my gosh. And tons of little flowers. You can make all the little like headdress. That's so cute. With like the halos or what do they call them? The kids wear nowadays. So happy birthday. Let's see if I can grab more of the glasses. All of the cute things that they can hold, right? They can hold the flowers. They have the flowers in their hair. They have things. They have bow ties. I was looking for more glasses. Okay, here we go. Punch that out. Different types of glasses, all gold. This one has like black frame. Super cute balloons. Little top hat. Oh, Band-Aid. How cute is that? Everything's with foiling, or almost everything. I don't want to say everything because, like, you know, you have things like this, but really, really pretty. So cute. Okay, so let me think about which little animal we're going to put together, but they're all going to be very similar, right? So, oh, here's more things. Little popsicle he has. Thank you. How are you? Isn't that cute? Like they're holding the little chalkboard. Okay. Let me clear out a little space here and we will work with one of our guys and I will be right back. I had mentioned that one look like a koala. It's basically a white bear, so that's fine. I think. Yeah, I think it's supposed to be a little white bear. So let's take that one since I had mentioned earlier what I thought it was and I'm incorrect and I want you to make sure that you see that. Super cute. So I have all the pieces for that guy. We're going to need one of these. And just put these guys over here. Clear out a little space here. And I suppose you can start working with this, like go ahead and put it down, but I think obviously I need to get eyes on that, so before we do that, let's think about it. And then I want to put these little glasses on her, because I have to. And so I would kind of like to know where these are, but you can really tell by the little muzzle, like where you need to put things, so that's really nice that that's there. And then let me see something. Yeah, I was gonna say those are gonna be too close. So yeah, you're gonna have to take these apart anyhow, right? So let me see. Let's put the little. Let's do that, and let's do little eyes closed like this, like she's smiling. Ah. Okay. So I'm gonna take this piece, and then we're gonna cut those. At least that's how I'm doing it. Whatever is easiest for you, go for it. And so we have the little cheeks here. We have the little dots. Oh, you know what? Is that a cat face? The little whiskers? Okay, I'm gonna put this carrier back on. Put the carrier back on. That looks like for a different type of animal. Let's still do a little tongue, but it's gonna be this one that doesn't have little whiskers. So again, I didn't do anything with that, just put it right back on the carrier, so that's fine. Let's see. Oh, you know what? Okay, guys, I'm batting 1,000 here. I think that's still like a little doggish nose. All right, this one right here. You can look a little closer to your inspo and then you'll see that, but yeah, that's definitely a different type of nose. Sorry. Oh my goodness. Okay, that looks better already. I'm just going to place it right down here. And we'll go with this. Again, they're really nice and sticky, so just a firm pressure. And as I lift them up very carefully because I can see that one's not stuck quite yet. So let's get a little more in there. And again, I try not to use the very, very tip because you might scratch into your paper, so I try to keep it very flat, or the side there. Better. All right. So I'll peel that away very carefully. And there it is. Super cute. I'm thinking I might stick the glasses down just so I know where the placement of the eyes should be. Right? So I place them really well. Oh, you know what? They can be like this too, or they could be like that. Oh my gosh. Let me see something. That's funny. Either way, but let me put this here. And I didn't glue the glasses down, they're just there to help guide me. Because if we want to make them a little dimensional, we can put some dimensional adhesive on them. So there's that one. And let's pretend, let's say this is here. And I'll pop this over here on this other side. Oh my goodness. I'm just eyeballing it about even, you know, so they look nice. That looks pretty good. Little cutie pie. Okay. Very good. I'm gonna push that down right there. And again, I might pop those up. So there's that. Let me clean up just a little bit and put away my transfers. And I'll be right back. Some of the items. Then we have these little guys. And whenever I have things like this, I always push the item out towards me because they have these little chads, right, that hangs on. And it's possible if you push it back that you're going to tear the coating, you know what I'm saying, away. So it's better if you do it this way because then you tear away from this instead of tearing away from your die cut that you would want to keep nice and pristine. So let's say we have our little hands. Oh yeah, so this one doesn't have a tail, but if you had a tail you would just take the tail and glue it towards the back, right, in between your layers. So I think, I'm trying to see if, yeah, I guess she can be stuck down already. So before I get to that, her glasses aren't on there. And then we can do some dimensionals with those kinds of things. So we'll take the dimensionals that come in the kit and then pick her, you know, something for her to be holding. Super cute. Again, if you had a tail, I would stick the tail back here and then stick this down. And so there we go. And let's stick the paws down because I know like her little feet ones. So on each of the little paws, I'm just going to stick a few dimensionals, probably 3, like 1, 2, and 3. You can probably just do 2. And then take the carriers off, of course. And just stick that down right here. Super cute. Let me see. Yeah, she has a little shape that's like this. Okay. I'm just looking at the scallop shape of the little paw. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing for this other one. I mentioned the little glasses. I want those also to have some dimensionals. So again, you don't have to, you know, just use the little circles. I like cutting this stuff up and using it that way too. So just like take a piece here. I'll put some at the very corners of the glasses. So it's not showing. And then I'll put a little piece in the center here also. In there. First you can put whatever you like. That's so cute. Put on her little nose like area. I did bring it down a little bit from what I did earlier, but that's okay because I figure it should be on her nose, right? Okay. Cute. And then, of course, she can be holding something. So let's see. I'm going to go through this and see what it is, you know, do I want her holding maybe some little flowers? They very much match her little glasses. Very cute. You have, you know, things like thank you and happy birthday or however. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, and then again, like I said, you have tons of little flowers, and we have balloons that can be wherever. You have all these little flowers, not these guys, but the ones that are stuck together, not stuck together, sorry, these guys, these individual ones. You can make like a little thing on her little head, right? All cute, and just make it kind of round in here, very cute. Okay, let me look through. I'll be right back. I'm just looking at all these different things, like, you know, have that. Friends Forever. I'm thinking about something from Miranda. Her friends are all having birthday parties very recently here. Cute. How about the little cake? And then we'll put the paws on. And again, you can dimensional all these things. I'm going to put this kind of low. And then I'm trying to see how I want to put these guys on. You know, that's okay. I'm not going to put dimensionals on it. I think that looks cute the way they are. Just put that there. And like it's coming around the little side there. There too. Oh, the example of this little guy is holding a cake also. It's funny. Okay. Get a little higher up. Cute. Okay, I'm gonna hold that down and I'll be right back. So I was like, does she need a little hat? And in the envelope, if I put it like about that high, it'll still fit perfectly. So I'm just going to put a little glue here and give her a little hat at a little jaunty angle up here on top of the little head. And there you go. Super cute. Again, I think kids would love this. it just makes a really cute, quick card. Lots and lots of ephemera still left over here to play with. Just tons of everything. We still have even these little guys you can pop on here and there. Oh, that'd be really cute too. She's pretty much decked out right now as it is with her little glasses and things. So there you go. You have your shaped card. Super cute. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you so much, Diamond Press, for sending these items for review. I'll have images coming up. I'll have links in the description box, and I will see you all at the next one. Bye now.